Hi friends, good morning. Tara, samahan niyo ako friends. Lakad lang tayo. Walking in the street. May payong pa, may kalo pa. Mainit kasi friends, maaga pa lang sobrang init. Kaya for safety. Then eye protection, eyeglass. And walking. May lakad akems. Importante lang. Yan. Medyo malayo-layo friends, walk lang tayo. Dahil mas maganda ang walking. Papunta pa doon, oh.